Have you ever found yourself sitting in your car with a stack of cash or a complex wire transfer issue, staring at your phone and wishing Ally Bank just had a physical building you could walk into? I love Ally for the high interest rates and the buckets feature, but let's be honest, sometimes an app isn't enough. Whether you need a cashier's check immediately, a safe deposit box, or just a human being to talk to across a desk, the online-only life has its limits. I've spent the last few months looking for that sweet spot, a bank that gives me the high-yield perks of an online bank but actually has a front door. Here are the best Ally Bank alternatives if you need more branch access. 1. Capital One 360. If you want the closest thing to the Ally experience but with physical locations, this is it. Capital One 360 offers a high-yield savings account that consistently stays competitive with Ally's rates. The secret sauce here is their Capital One cafes. They aren't traditional, stuffy bank branches, they're hybrid coffee shops where you can talk to an ambassador, use fee-free ATMs, and even get 50% off your latte if you use your Capital One card. Plus, they have traditional branches in several states and allow you to deposit cash at any CVS or Walgreens. It's the perfect middle ground bank. 2. PNC Bank. PNC is a heavy hitter if you live in the East, South, or Midwest. Their virtual wallet is a direct competitor to Ally's interface, breaking your money into spend, reserve, and growth categories. While their standard savings rates can be low, they offer a high-yield savings version specifically for customers in certain markets that rivals online-only banks. You get the polish of a modern app with the security of thousands of physical branches for when things go sideways. 3. JP Morgan Chase. Now, I know what you're thinking, Chase interest rates are terrible. And you're right, their base savings rate is usually $0.01%. However, I'm including them because they have the most dominant branch network in the country. If your priority is, I need a branch in every city I visit, Chase wins. The strategy here isn't to use them for your emergency fund, it's to use them for your checking and cash management while linking it to an external high-yield account. If you want a brick-and-mortar home base, this is the safest bet. 4. Local credit unions. Don't overlook the credit union down the street. Many credit unions now offer high-reward checking or savings accounts that actually beat Ally's rates if you meet certain criteria, like using your debit card 10 times a month. The tech might not be as flashy as Ally's, but the service is personalized. If you have a complex problem, you aren't calling a 1-800 number, you're talking to someone who lives in your zip code. 5. Discover Bank. Discover is very similar to Ally in terms of its no-fee philosophy, but they have a massive advantage, their cashback debit account. While they don't have a massive branch network, they are increasingly integrated with retail locations for cash services. They offer a physical presence through their headquarters and a very robust ATM network that feels more tangible than Ally's. The verdict. If you want the rates of Ally with the physical presence of a big bank, Capital One 360 is the clear winner for most people. It's the only one that truly merges the fintech feel with a place to sit down and get help. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.